Good morning, class. Welcome to Vishnu One e-learning app. Today we're going to start the exercise 1.2. Okay. Lesson 1, integer. Exercise 1.2. Here we use the properties of integers. Okay. So you can watch the video which I gave earlier in my first, second or third video. Okay. In that video I have explained all the properties of integer, and that property we use here. So start with question number 2. Question number 1 is your answer the question following question, say yes or no. So you can do by your own. Now we start from question number 2. Identify, note down the question. Identify the addition property used in each of the following question. First one, 7 plus 13 is equals to 13 plus 7. This is your commutative property. This is your commutative property. Commutative property state that a plus b is equals to b plus a. Means if we either add 2 plus 3 we get 5, or we add 3 plus 2, answer is 5. So this property is called commutative property. Okay, I have stated all this property in my previous video, so you can watch that video first. 6 plus 0 is equals to how much? 6. This property is additive property. One is additive inverse and the other one is additive identity. Additive identity states that if we add any integer with 0, we get the same integer. For example, a plus 0. Suppose a is an integer, and if we add 0 in this integer, we get the same answer a. For example, if we add in minus 2 is an integer, and if we add with 0, we get same minus 2. Third one is third answer is yours associative property. You can note down the question from the book. Associative property of addition, it states that suppose we want to add 3 integer a plus b plus c, you can add this 3 integer by 2 ways. One is a plus b bracket b plus c. Bracket means we add first these 2 integers, then whatever the answer we get, we add a in that. Or you can do a plus b first we add a plus b, whatever the answer we get from here, in that we add c. But in both the cases answer will be same. So this property is known as associative property of addition. Fourth answer is yours additive inverse. Additive inverse means if we take, suppose example, if we take one integer a is a positive integer. So question additive inverse is how much we add in this in this positive integer so that we can get 0. How much we add in this? So we take the opposite of the integer. This is your positive integer, so we add in this a negative integer of this. Example, how much we add in -2 so that we can get 0. So the opposite of -2 is what? +2. So answer will be 0. Clear? Now see question number 3. In question number 3 you have to put the brackets. Put the brackets in each of the following addition to satisfy addition property. Question is 15 plus 4 plus 1. You have to here you use the associative property. You can add this 3 integer by 2 ways: 15 plus bracket 4 plus 1, or you can add 15 plus 4 bracket plus 1. Okay. Second is your for homework, which is 18 plus 7 plus 5. Okay, this you have to do by your own. Do by your own. Third, 3 minus 4 not equal to 4 minus 3. Okay, 3 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 3, because here if we see the LHS part, 3 minus 4 is how much? -1, whereas in RHS part 4 minus 3 is how much? 1. So LHS is not equal to RHS. You do by this. 3 minus 4 is not equal to 4 minus 3. Okay. Now question number 4. Give an example to show that commutative property not hold in subtraction. Okay, subtraction of integer. देखो कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी क्या स्टेट करता है. कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी कहता है कि a प्लस बी को जोड़ जितना a प्लस बी इज इक्वल्स टू b प्लस a. मीन्स एग्जाम्पल, अगर हम 3 प्लस 4 करते हैं तो हमें आंसर मिलता है 7, जो कि हमें 4 प्लस 3 ऐड करने पे भी मिलता है. ठीक, तो इस तरह के एडिशंस को हम कम्यूटेटिव प्रॉपर्टी कह सकते हैं. बट दिस प्रॉपर्टीज ओनली होल्ड इन एडिशन, नॉट इन सब्ट्रैक्शन. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, इफ यू सी 3 minus 4 is equals to -1, but if we do 4 minus 3 is equals to 1. Here you see that LHS part here, this is your -1 and this is your 1. Both are not equal. So commutative property is not hold in subtraction. So for this you have to give one example. Either you take this one also. So you can do take one example. 8 minus 5 is not equal to 5 minus 8. If the question comes, give an example to show the associative property not hold in subtraction. So for associative property, ये भी हम लोग यहाँ देख लेते हैं. ये भी This is only this property is also hold in addition only, not in subtraction. For example, 3 minus 4 minus 5. Here are three integers which we going to subtract. Okay, so if we subtract like this, 3 minus bracket 4 minus 5, it's how much? 3 minus 4 minus 5, it's minus 1. So it comes 3 minus into minus plus 1. Here answer comes 4. But if we take 3 minus 4 bracket minus 5, so 3 minus 4 is minus 1, minus 1 with minus 5, it comes minus 6. Okay, so here 4 is not equal to minus 6. So 3 minus 4 minus 5 is not equal to 3 minus 4 minus 5. Okay, this is your second part and this is your first part. Clear? You can take the screenshot of this also. Now do the sixth question. Sorry, fifth question. Question fifth is, take A is equals to minus 6, B is equals to 9 and C is equals to 5. Here the three integers are given A, B, C, which the value as minus 6, 9 and 5. Okay, question is, you have to verify this, that A plus B is equals to B plus A. So put the values of A and B. Here A is minus 6 plus 9 and B is equals to 9 plus bracket minus 6. For the negative integer you use bracket. Okay, now this is your LHS part and this is your RHS part. So first solve the LHS part. So LHS part, minus 6 plus 9, so it comes plus minus minus, so 9 minus 6, 3, greater sign is positive sign. Now this is your LHS. So RHS, 9 plus into minus 6, it comes 3. Both answers are same. Means LHS is equals to RHS. So hence it's verify. Now see, second part is, A minus B minus C is not equal to A minus B minus C. It is the associative property of subtraction addition, which is not hold in subtraction. But we solve it. Here A is minus 6 minus B is 9 minus 5. Okay, this is your LHS part. Solve the LHS first. Minus 6 minus 9 minus 5, how much? 4. So minus 6 minus 4 is equals to how much? Minus minus plus, minus 10. Now solve LHS part. LHS part is A minus B bracket minus C. A is minus 6, B is minus, and B is how much? B is 9 bracket minus C. C is 5. So minus minus again plus. So 9 or 6, 15. Sign is minus 5. It comes minus 20. Here LHS is not equal to RHS. Clear? Now important facts. Remember it. Product of three negative integer, the result of, or the product of three negative integer, we get just a minute. product of, if first one, if we multiply three negative integer we get the result a negative product also. Means example, -2 into -3 into -5. Here we take a three integers and all these three integers are negative. Okay, so when we multiply, if we multiply three negative integer, we get a negative integer also as a result. 2 3s are 6, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30. 30 minus into minus plus, minus into minus plus, and plus into minus minus. ओके, सिंपली अगर आप तीन निगेटिव इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करते हैं तो आंसर भी आपको निगेटिव ही मिलेगा, पॉजिटिव नहीं मिलेगा. ओके, इसका और सेकंड चीज़, इफ़ यू मल्टीप्लाई 4 6 2 4 6 8 इवन ऑर्डर्स में अगर निगेटिव इंटीजर्स को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे तो आंसर में पॉजिटिव मिलेगा. इफ़ वी मल्टीप्लाई even order of negative integer, we get a positive integer as a product or as a result. Example, -2 -3 -5 -6. Here are 4 positive integers, so we get a result. 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30, 36 are 180. Okay, but here all 4 are negative integer, so we get a positive result. Okay, plus 180. Clear? So on this fact your exercise 1.3 is based. How to find the product? Find the product. So this question is -3 into 15. So -3 into 15 is how much? 3 5s are 45. 3 15s are 45, and here only one negative sign, so we put the negative sign in the result. Now -7 into -9, here two negative integers are multiplying, so see the second fact, if we multiply even order, even means 2 4 6 8, so here are two negative integers, so your answer comes in one with positive sign. 63, 9 7 is 63, minus into minus plus, remember it, minus into minus becomes plus, minus into plus becomes minus. Clear? Now one more question here. Now exercise 1.3 is your homework. Okay, if you have any problem in exercise 1.3, just ask me in the group. Remember this, and on Friday means 1st of May is your unit test exam. Clear? Questions comes only from the first chapter, don't worry, but go through all the previous video, because in previous video I have explained all the properties: addition property, associative property, commutative property, multiplicative property, division property. Okay, so first please watch all the previous video, that videos are basic concept of integer. Here we are only discussing the questions of the exercises, but that videos are the basic concept of integer. इसलिए बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है, उस वीडियो को केयरफुली पूरा अच्छे से देख लीजिएगा. कोई भी दिक्कत हो आप कल ही पूछ लीजिएगा, बिकॉज फ्राइडे को आपका टेस्ट रहेगा. तो जो भी प्रॉब्लम हो, है आज की वीडियो में ही क्लियर कर लीजिएगा. इसको वीडियो को देख लीजिएगा तुरंत, ओके. और उसके बाद जितने भी टाइम हो उसमें आप पहले से वो जो आपका डाउट्स हो उसको क्लियर कर लीजिएगा, क्योंकि जो फ्राइडे को टेस्ट होगा उसमें आपको टाइम नहीं मिलेगा डाउट्स क्लियर करने के लिए. फिर ये मत कहना सर हम थे नहीं, हम आए नहीं थे और हमारा क्लास देर में शुरू हुई. तो इसलिए अभी जो भी प्रॉब्लम है, जिनके पास पुराने वीडियोस नहीं हैं वो किसी से शेयर कर लें, जिनके पास हो, जिन्होंने अपना पिछला वीडियो डिलीट नहीं किया है वो सेंड कर दें अपने पर्सनल फ्रेंड्स को, ओके, पर्सनल व्हाट्सएप पर. और फिर भी नहीं मिलता है तो आप एक बार मुझसे कंसल्ट कर लीजिएगा, मुझे कॉल कर लेना अगर सर मेरे पास वीडियो नहीं है प्रीवियस का. क्लियर? एनी प्रॉब्लम? सो आस्क मी हियर. थैंक यू फॉर वॉचिंग दिस वीडियो.